wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling tool cabinets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Rubbermaid 773488 Mobile Work Center is a lightweight but nevertheless rugged hardware storage solution that can hold up to 250 pounds of equipment. Beyond its 5 drawers, its pegboard side panels provide additional and convenient organization space. It comes with a built-in cord wrap and a locking bar that holds the drawers in place. However, the bins can buckle under lots of weight. At number 9, combining 4 storage options in one, the Stanley 020800R fatmax is a multi-level cantilever-style workstation that's easy to move around when closed, but provides quick access to all of its compartments when opened. For that reason, it's perfect for the handyman on the go. It's equipped with a grooved lid for holding lumber and a telescopic handle for easy pulling, but the wheels are a little cheap. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Wen 744112 drawer incorporates bins of various heights, widths and depths, ensuring you have a place for all your gear. Each unit relies on smooth 45mm ball bearing slides and has a self-locking feature that keeps it closed when not in use. It includes built-in protective drawer liners and provides over 11,000 cubic inches of space. However, the locking mechanism is a touch weak. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling tool cabinets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, maybe you already have a full-size tool cabinet and just need a little something to hold those odds and ends. In that case, check out the Wen 73015 Garage Glider. It stacks 3 drawers under a thickly cushioned seat so you can park your bum on it between jobs. It features vinyl-protected padding and 2 foldable magnetic storage trays, but there's not much space for bigger equipment. Moving up our list to number 6, the Bossstitch BTS T19802 can serve as the primary storage system for a household, but makes a fine wingman for the plumber, carpenter or contractor who wants to take a full complement of hardware to the worksite. It boasts a 70-pound, 10 gallons by-use volume capacity. It's equipped with 7-inch full rubber wheels and can be separated into 2 units. It's also good for fishing or boating. Halfway up our list at number 5, the homak BL04062601 27-inch Professional sits at the intersection of fair price and decent quality, and its size works for most garages and workshops too. It's not overly large, and its durable casters and rubber handles allow it to be pushed around easily. It's available in 3 colors with wheel brakes on 2 casters, but the drawers can be difficult to open. At number 4, there aren't many places you and your stuff can't go with the Trademark Tool 75-4650, which features 3 steel boxes that can be used together, but also as standalone units if need be. A fold-open lid allows enough room for larger gear to be stored in the bottom bin. It includes organization areas for small parts and is ideal for holding power tools, but altogether it feels a little heavy. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the 12-drawer Seville Classics Ultra HD not only gives you a place to keep your favorite hardware, but also a large surface upon which to use them during whatever project you have going on. Its heavy-duty all-steel frame construction looks sleek and clean too. It features doors that shut flush with the body and a smooth hardwood bench. It's good for commercial kitchens as well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling tool cabinets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the narrow width of the popular Viper V1804 BLR salon cart makes it ideal for smaller workshops where space is limited. It still holds a lot of stuff though, and features multiple smaller drawers for hand tools and a larger compartment at the bottom for power equipment. It boasts a powder-coated finish, sturdy aluminum drawer pulls, and comes in a range of colors. And taking the top spot on our list, if you can't fit all your tools in the International VRB 4211BK, then it's probably time to downsize your collection. 11 fully extendable drawers, each able to hold up to 100 pounds, offer plentiful and varied space for whatever you decide to stock them with. It's built from rugged 14-gauge steel, with a strong detent in the drawers and brushed aluminum trim. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling tool cabinets, or simply click beneath this video.